Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Story Time and more with Ananya. And before starting with today's video, I would like to say a special thanks to all of you for giving such a love to my channel. It has been 1 month and approx 1 month, 1 week like that. So thank you so much for giving so much of love to my channel in this much of time and keep seeing my videos. And if you like my videos, if you're new to my channel and you like my videos, so please do click on the subscribe button, which will let us also get motivated to make more such videos. Without any further delay, let us begin with the video. So today it's not gonna be exactly a vlog or a normal video like a challenge vlog or anything. It's basically gonna be a podcast. So today I'm gonna basically have a podcast with Insia. So hey Insia.
Hi, I'm Insia, and my channel is Fun and Learning with Insia. I hope you all subscribe. There's been like a comeback prank video that I've done on Ananya because she had pranked me as well.
Yeah. So basically, guys, if you have subscribed to my channel, you like my videos, then definitely for sure I ensure you that you're gonna definitely like Insia's videos as well. Because personally, even I am a fan of hers. She is my friend, but her YouTube channel is also awesome. So please do check and link in description. So let us begin with today's podcast. Firstly, I would like to ask a few questions to Insia. So basically, Insia, how did you plan to start your channel?
Honestly, there was no plan. I just wanted to showcase my talents and like educate like people about psychology and science. So I just had no plan. I
Okay.
just started it randomly.
So, your favorite subject is science, and you wanted to show, your showcase your talents, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So sometimes it happens, no, that we start a channel or something, but our parents don't agree. We have a struggle with that. So, did you had such kind of a struggle with your parents accepting it?
No, actually, I had no struggle for my parents accepting it. They were okay with it, unless they just had one condition not to show brain rot, like nuisance.
Okay. So yeah, even that was like for my parents also. They said the same condition. It was like the same problem only. So next question is. So basically, any difficulty you faced while you started your channel or anything like that?
Actually, I did face a difficulty. Like when I started my channel newly, I had literally no subscribers. There were only family and friends, so like there was low motivation of making videos. So like nobody would like it except my family and friends. There are literally no subscribers for me. That led to low motivation. That was the only thing. But my channel eventually.
Yeah, that happens. Even when I started my channel, the first day, to be honest, guys, I had 12 subscribers, including only my family and friends, including Insia. So basically, I used to feel very bad, but with each of the subscriber limit increased, I used to feel way too good. You know, until like you're a beginner in YouTube, even I am, and even Insia is right now. So you are gonna feel one subscriber as well, you'll feel it's like equal to a hundreds of subscribers. So that is why the value of subscriber is too much to us. So if you understand that, I hope you're gonna understand this, and if you like it, you're gonna subscribe to our both of our channels. So that is the main difficulty even I faced. Now, moving on to the next question. So, even like me and Insia study in the same school. So, over there, basically, in schools, we have a lot much to study. Recently, our exams got over, so we have weekly test every week. We have a weekly test, like alternate weeks, kind of, and we have a study routine also. So, was there any of your schedule to make your videos like I'll make in weekends or like that, or you used to make whenever you are free?
Actually, I just make them whenever I'm free, like when I'm done with all the things. Like, my shorts get uploaded kind of every day or like kind of in a gap of 2 to 3 days because whenever I'm free, I want to make videos.
Yeah, same with me. I mostly prefer to make it in the weekends, but sometimes when I'm free, that time also I make it. So, questions are over and moving on to a interesting game which we are gonna play. Never have I ever. So the rules for this game is simple. I'm gonna just say never have I ever, and then I'm gonna say a sentence. So if you have done that in your life, then you need to say yes or and explain. And if you haven't, then just no, no explanation. Let's begin. So never have I ever used a fake accent in my video.
I have.
Would you like to tell us which one?
Actually, I think it would be the tongue twister, which has been recently uploaded.
Yeah.
I wasn't able to like pronounce words because like I was literally before even saying the tongue twister, I had practiced them before. So like I don't know, that fake accent just came in my mouth. I don't know how.
Okay. Even it happens with me sometimes, if you guys have noticed. So, next is never have I ever re uploaded a video because of copyright issues.
No.
Okay, you didn't even thought of it that maybe copyright of this comes, this particular thing.
Yeah, actually I've never thought of it, and like there's no copyright in my videos. Like
Okay.
none of them.
Okay, yeah, sorry. Never have I ever deleted a video because of negative feedback thoughts in my mind.
I have.
Okay. Even with me it happens actually because there are a millions of people who are there on their home screens on their recommended icon or the subscribers. They see our videos and we have basically a fear of negative impact on our videos, that what if they don't like it or what. Anyways,
Yeah, actually,
yeah.
like before the tongue twister video, I was actually planning to do a riddle video, like a riddle challenge, but I thought it was too boring and people won't like it. Like, there's nothing funny in it, me just answering riddles. So I just decided to discard it.
The most, if people dislike your video it hurts, but it doesn't hurt that much if people do bad comments. So sometimes even I did this, I used to disable the comments or I used to make it made for kids because my videos are made for kids, like, so it used to be very scary that time. But yeah, but for me YouTube's first rule for me it is never focus on the bad comments. If it is related to a suggestion then you may. So moving on to the next one. Never have I ever re-recorded a video because of technical difficulties.
I have, yes.
Which one?
Actually, it was the schizophrenia one. Like, I do it on Canva when like all those slides are there.
Oh,
So actually, what happened was schizophrenia one wasn't getting downloaded because of some glitch in it. So I had to do that slide, the whole video again, like in Canva
God.
again.
It
Yeah,
even happens with me. Like for me, the tongue twister challenge video. Even I uploaded a tongue twister challenge video with my own self, to be honest. And like 80% of your tongue twisters were even there in mine. I was shocked. But yeah, that's what same thought, same imagination. Anyways, so in that basically, I actually know the count. I 5 times recorded the same video. My voice was not coming sometimes the screen was blank, so I was way too confused at what am I supposed to do. But yeah, so this was all about today, and guys, hope you enjoyed this podcast, all the questions and the games. So this was all for this video, and the link for both of our channels are in description. Not for my channel because already you're seeing this video on my channel, but if you want Insia to do a interview, means like a podcast of me, so then you guys definitely will need to comment in the comment section, because whatever you think about our videos, if you won't put it in the comments, obviously we won't get those thoughts, right? So that's all for today.